Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable codes in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to the lightning gear icon or the setup menu, and then you will need just to go to setup. And basically, from here we will find or we will need to search for the codes. And by clicking codes or typing codes in the quick find, we will find these uh, choices. And what we are interested in is the code setting. And from here, we will find the disable code and enable codes. So if you had it already disabled, it will be appearing as follow. It will give you the enable codes option. You will need to click on it, and basically you click on save. And by that, you have your uh, codes that has been selected, and from there you can have your layout selection. So you can add new list or choose page layout for your codes. And from there, you can start creating your own code templates if you want by clicking on code templates, go to new, and then you can start creating your own templates. And then you can start having your codes that will be created in your opportunities. So here in the opportunity, you can see that I have created already this code, or you can simply uh, click here and go to new codes and give it anything that you would like, etc. So basically, those are the steps to activate or enable your code in the code settings. Thank you for watching and see you in next time.